We have covered a lot of Moft products at the site over the years at CES. We're big fans of how their low profile cases and stands can provide such high quality results in your tablets or cell phones. And with the induction of them using those MagSafe connections on your iPhones, you can do so much with their items. Now they've got two really great options for anybody who's a big fan of their products and also a big fan of features with their phone. The first of which is their Snap Flow Note Stand. This is a really cool case that goes on the back of your phone. It can use to stand your phone up. And at the same time, it holds a notepad so you can actually take notes on the go. It even has a low profile pen, which you can fold into a triangle shape so that you can actually take good notes and actually hold it comfortably in your hand for durability and use. It's just a really good option for anybody that I know we have these phones with us, we can type out things, but if handwriting is faster and easier for you and you're more about actually having physical notes instead of digital notes, this is a great option for you. The next really cool item is their Snap Phone Tripod. This is a wallet, a stand, and also a tripod for your phone. So you can prop your phone up like it would be the normal kickstand. You can use it as a wallet for your cards and devices, or you can actually prop it up a little bit even higher off the table, specifically with the tripod setting, and even store it in your landscaping mode or portrait mode for your video use, whether you're doing YouTube videos or TikTok. It's just a really great option for anyone that just wants to film some videos and just wants to be able to set up a stand wherever they are. It's really cool, low profile, and highly durable, like all Moft products. If you're looking for these, the Snap Phone Tripod is already available on Amazon. We'll let the link down below. But if you're looking for the other model, it'll be coming out down the line, and it's not out yet. Hope you guys found this interesting. Hope you guys pick up some Moft products, and we will see you guys next time.